Hello all, I am Dr. Karthika from Department of Biomedical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore, and in this October lecture series, we are discussing about input devices in virtual reality, trackers, navigation and gesture interfaces. And in this trackers part, in previous video we have discussed about mechanical trackers, and here we are going to discuss about ultrasonic trackers. See here, the ultrasonic trackers use low frequency ultrasound to measure position and orientation because we have to meet the main aim of trackers. The main aim of tracker is what? The main aim of tracker is to identify or to calculate the or to measure the position and orientation of that particular object. Here the number of sources grows with the tracker work envelope, and the distance is inferred from the sound time of flight, and the sensitive to air, temperature and other noise sources, and it requires direct line of sight LOS. And ultrasonic trackers are slower than magnetic trackers, maximum 50 updates per second, and it is more adequate to track hands than head. While mechanical trackers are they are mainly concentrating on head because in previous video we have discussed about some kind of head mounted display, and magnetic trackers, they are concentrating more than head than hand, but ultrasonic, it is concentrated more than head. It is concentrated hand more than head. See. Yeah, next one is optical trackers. We have so many types of trackers, but the main types are magnetic, ultrasonic, optical, inertial, hybrid. Okay, what is optical tracker? What do you mean by optical? What is optical here? Optical is light. Optics is light. We know that very well. A non-contact position measurement device that uses optical sensing to measure time, position or orientation of an object, which is called optical trackers. See here. Here we have two types. One is outside looking in. Your second one is inside looking out. In outside looking in, we have CCD cameras. What is CCD? We have already discussed about CCD. What is CCD? Charge coupled devices. CCD camera, and we have LED beacons. And same here, inside looking out, we have LED ceiling panels, and we are going to looking out. So we need head mounted displays. So here the user should compulsorily wearing HMD. See, the outside looking in, we have only CCD cameras and LED beacons. Outside looking in part, and inside looking out part, we need LED ceiling panels, as well as we need a proper HMD head mounted display with sensor for viewing purpose. See the examples of outside looking in. See here the beacon. In this motion tracking, it is used for motion tracking, and examples for this are animation films and that film characteristics, and research, VR simulators, and uses were reflective markers for providing a better experience in outside looking in. For small spheres, the users should wear a reflective markers. See here the examples of outside looking in. See the first one, see the second one, see the third and fourth one. Really it gives a real world experience. And next one is tracking in VR simulators. Here I have taken the example at Ford. See the tracking in VR simulators. See, the simulators are using tracking, VR tracking. See here, now the driving is so much simpler than previous trainings, because nowadays the companies and the training institutions, they are using VR simulators. It provides a vast experience about driving than before. Yeah, next one is location based VR. It is a fully immersive experience. Like imagine if you are in Shimla, means that real world Shimla, that real world Shimla, it provides a real world Shimla experience, like that they want to communicate with us. See the inside looking out, lighthouses, the base stations beam signals to the headset and controllers, and in outside looking in, we need a particular HMD, head mounted displays, for a better viewing purpose. Thank you. In the next video, we'll discuss about inertial trackers in virtual reality. Thank you.